Welcome back to CSEC Mathematics with Mr. Charles. Today we are continuing our lesson on algebra. This is the fourth part of our video series on the distributive law. We are on question number 25. And it says here 2 open bracket x minus 5 minus 3 open bracket x plus 4 open bracket x minus 1. We want to simplify that. So we have to say 2 times x, okay, 2 times x plus 2 times negative 5, okay, so that's equal to 2 times x plus 2 times negative 5 plus negative 3 times x, okay, negative 3 times x. Don't put a negative sign outside here and still put a negative sign inside here. If you have the negative sign outside, then it should not be inside. If you have it inside, then it should not be outside. Good, always remember that you only account for signs once, right? And I put a plus sign here because minus 3 is the same as plus negative 3. Minus 3 is the same as plus negative 3. Remember, positive times negative is a negative, so we would still get back minus 3. So they are the same thing. So keep that in mind. Okay, so it's always better to put a plus sign outside the bracket and multiply each term inside the bracket by the negative term outside. Okay, so negative 3 times x plus negative 3 times 4. Okay, then we have plus, okay, 5 times x plus 5 times negative 1, right? Whenever I am expanding using the distributive law, whenever I am multiplying, okay, to remove brackets using the distributive law, I like to have plus signs outside the brackets. Okay, it makes the multiplication of the signs easier to work with. Okay, good. 2 times x is 2x plus 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. Good, bring down the plus sign. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Okay, negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. 5 times x is 5x. Plus 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. So we have to simplify now because we have a few double signs in between terms. Okay, so we have to get rid of those. Okay, or multiply them rather. Alright, so positive times negative is negative. Positive times negative is negative. Positive times negative is negative. Negative. Okay, then we bring down the 2x here. Bring down the 10 here. Bring down the 3x here. Bring down the 12 plus 5x. And then we bring down the 5 here. Good. And that's equal to, well, we have to group our like terms now. Bring all the x's together. So we have 2x minus 3x. Okay, minus 3x plus 5x, okay, plus 5x minus 10, okay, minus 10 minus 12, okay, minus 12 minus 5. Alright, so we group our like terms, and that would give us 2x minus 3x, that is negative x. Okay, negative x plus 5x, we get that. Then minus 10, minus 12, minus 5. Okay, so minus 10, all the signs are the same, so we add and keep the sign. So 10 plus 12 is 22. 22 plus 5 is 27. So that is minus 27, okay? And that is equal to, well, here the signs are different, and since the signs are different, we have to subtract and keep the sign of the larger number. So 5x subtract x is 4x. Okay, the larger number is 5x, so it's positive 4x minus 27, and that's our answer there. Good. Right, so number 26, we have 5x plus 2y plus 3 open bracket x minus y plus 1. So we bring down the 5x, okay, plus 2y, we bring down that, plus 3 times x, okay, plus 3 times negative y, okay, plus 3 times 1, okay, 3 times 1. Then we simplify 5x plus 2y plus 3 times x is 3x plus 3 times negative y is negative 3y plus 3 times 1 is 3. Good. We bring our like terms together. 5x plus 3x from here. Okay. 5x plus 3x. Okay. And then we say plus 2y from here. Okay. And that would be minus 3y because of these two opposing signs there. Minus 3y. Okay. 2y minus 3y. And then we bring down the plus 3. Okay. Bring down the plus 3. Plus 3. Good. And then 5x plus 3x is 8x. Okay. 8x plus 2y minus 3y is negative y plus 3. Okay, because the signs are different here, so we subtract 2 from 3, we get 1, and we keep the negative sign because the sign in front of the larger number is negative, right? That's negative 3. So we get negative 1y, which is the same as negative y. Okay, we do not put a 1 because it's understood that it is 1. Okay, and that is our answer there. Oh, well, not yet, because we have to simplify that. Okay, so we get 8x minus y plus 3. Okay, and that's our answer there. Good. Let's move to the next question. Okay, and these are the final two questions actually. So we have 3x open bracket x plus 2y, so we multiply this by that, this by this. Okay, so we have 3x times x. Okay, 3x times x plus 3x times 2y plus 5x squared. We're not multiplying the 5x squared by the y and the 7 because the 5x squared is not immediately outside the bracket. There is a negative sign separating 5x squared from the bracket, so we cannot do this. Okay, we cannot do this. That would be wrong. Okay, that would be wrong. So what we have to do, we have to put the 5x squared minus, okay, minus, okay, 1, right? Because minus this is the same as minus 1 times this. Remember, 1 times any number is a number itself. So whether or not we put a 1 here doesn't change the fact that this is still y plus 7. Okay, then we can move further from there. Okay, so that would be equal to 3x times x is 3x squared plus 3x times 2y is 6xy plus 5x squared minus, okay, well, let's put the minus outside, and then we say 1 times y minus 1 times y. Okay, then plus my negative 1 times 7. Okay, times 7. Good. Then we simplify. We bring the 2x squared terms together, so we get 3x squared plus 5x squared. Okay, plus 5x squared plus 6xy, okay, minus 1y, which is the same as minus y, okay, plus negative 7, because negative 1 times 7 is negative 7. Okay, we can simplify further. Okay, and when we simplify further, we get 3x squared plus 5x squared, that's 8x squared. Okay, plus 6xy minus y minus 7, because these two signs here is equivalent to a negative sign, so minus 7. And there is nothing else we can do to simplify this expression, so that is our final answer. Okay, that's our final answer there. Number 28, we have 3x open bracket x squared minus 1. So this times that, and this times that. 2 plus 2x squared open bracket x plus 4. So this times this, and this times the 4. Minus x open bracket 7 minus x squared. So this times that, and this times this. So let's multiply. So we get 3x times x squared. And notice all along I am making my x different to my multiplication sign, so I do not get confused. You should try doing that as well. Okay, plus 3x times negative 1 plus 2x squared times x, okay, plus 2x squared times 4, okay, plus minus x times 7, okay, minus x times x squared. Good, we simplify this, we get 3x cubed here, plus negative 3x, plus 2x cubed, plus 8x squared, plus negative 7x, okay, minus negative x cubed. So we have some simplification to do. So our next step would be 3x cubed, okay, minus 3x, because this here is equivalent to a minus sign. Then we have plus 2x cubed plus 8x squared minus 7x, okay, because this is equivalent to a minus sign, plus x cubed, because this is equivalent to a plus sign. Okay, and that's equal to, well, we have to group our like terms now. So bring all the x cubes together, all the x squared together, and all the x's together. So we get 3x cubed plus 2x squared, okay, plus, not 2x squared, but 2x cubed, okay, plus x cubed, okay, plus x cubed. And you would realize this requires very intense focus, so you have to be paying attention to what's going on, okay, plus plus 8x squared, okay, because we are writing the terms in order, okay, of in descending order according to the powers. So from x cubed you go to x squared, okay, and from x squared you go to x. Is there another x squared term? No, there is not another x squared term, so we move to 3x, or the x term. So that's minus 3x, okay, minus 7x, okay, or take away 7x, okay. And is there another x term? No. Okay, so is there a term without a letter associated? No. So that's all we can simplify. That's all the like terms to group. So what we have to do now is to add the like terms together. So 3x cubed plus 2x cubed, that's 5x cubed, plus x cubed, that's 6x cubed. Okay, so you get 6x cubed plus 8x squared, okay, minus 3x minus 7x, that would give us minus 10x. And that is our answer. Okay, that's our answer there. Thank you very much for being a part of this series on the distributive law. It has been a pleasure. Do enjoy.